Now, normally these are the kind of things that would come up during a civilian trial where they have people defending them, but I'm being told that's not what the plan is for the people charged with this. That they're actually being well, there's a push at least for them to be tried and for you to be tried in a military court.
Yes, well, right now in the Supreme Court, I have gone, other people have gone into the Supreme Court against military courts. The case is still in the Supreme Court, but the ministers of the ruling party have actually stated that if the Supreme Court gives a verdict against military courts, the government would defy it. Just like they defied when the Supreme Court announced Punjab elections on the 14th of May, according to the Constitution, the government refused. So we don't know what will happen, but clearly, I mean, there's no room for military courts in a democracy.